Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be using the Python Matplotlib library to create a bar chart. Now if you don't already have this on board, you can install it using pip install matplotlib, and we've got the little explanation up here. So it's a low-level graph plotting library, this is, and then all you do is import the module in above. So first of all, I'm going to create a bar chart with pets. This is just going to be random, so I'm just going to do something random like dogs. Let's say cats and rats. Well, rats are not really pets, but it rhymes with cats. Anyway, so we're going to do numbers here. I'm simply just going to do 1, 2, 3, and we're going to use PLT here, plot, and we're going to state it as a bar chart there. Then we're going to type in pet. This is the information we're going to have on our bar chart, and numbers. Okay, then all we do is plt.title, so this will give it a title, and you can just simply call it a bar chart. So that will be the title that you will see on the bar chart. And we've got axis on these. We've got x-axis and y-axis. So I'm going to put plt.xLabel here, and I have to give it a name, so I'm just going to say animals. And then we're going to do a y-axis, which is going to be plt.yLabel, and I'm just going to give that nothing there, so I'm just going to leave it blank like that. And then what we have to do, we have to show the bar chart, so that's plt.show there. Now all we have to do is call it, so this is going to be bar chart. So call the program, so like that. Let's just save it first. Make sure that's saved. Let's run it. Okay, wait a few seconds. There you go. So we've got the title up here, bar chart. We've got the numbers here, so that goes from 0 to 3. And we've got the title here, which is animals. We've got dogs, cats and rats. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.